Photoshop will be obsolete in the near future if the advancement in the AI image generation thing will be like this. Because we have now Nano Banana, the new upgrade on the Gemini, the Google's image generation model, and it is really incredible, powerful, and you have never thought that an AI image generation model can do all of these things. When I said Photoshop can be obsolete, yes, I am definitely sure. Whatever you think you can do on the Photoshop now can be done with this Nano Banana. I'm going to give you many examples. I have tried with the Nano Banana and the results are awesome, up to the mark and out of the imagination. So let's explore the Nano Banana in the AI studio. First of all, let's see what if we can colorize the image. So here we have the image of Albert Einstein, the original image with all these little hair here and the jacket he is wearing, the button and all the details. Now see what happened when I asked to colorize this image. Here we have, and you can see, and that little hair is still there on the face of Albert Einstein. We have this jacket and the button which is really looking awesome and realistic. Every detail, every wrinkle, everything is so precisely intact and colorized over that nobody can say that this is generated image. So bring your all old images and colorize it free on this AI studio. You can see this is the Gemini 2.5 flash preview I'm using, and just to make sure everything works fine, I have turned off all the safety filter, and this is how I have done with that. Now, next is again up to the next level. See what happened. Here is an Sam Altman with the team member. I asked AI to remove the lady and it removed. Then what's the unique thing about this? Check this out. Here, since we have this lady, since we have a laptop here, this seems like the laptop of the lady. And now since we asked to remove the lady, the laptop is also removed and it is intacting the design pattern of the table. This is mind-blowing. It just figured out that what belongs to the lady and it removed that too. How incredible thing is. Then I ask the AI to remove the middle person. Now, seems like middle person is not sitting on the sofa, but he's sitting on something else. This is a really detailed examination. Now see what happened. When I asked to remove, actually it was the handrest of the sofa. And we haven't figured out just by looking on the image that this person is sitting on the handrest of the sofa. Wow, too amazing. Next, I asked AI to remove the right person and it is really incredible to remove, and you can see that when we removing the person, the background is really generated to match the rest of the background. So this section was not there in the original image. If I go on the original image, on the right of the Sam Altman, there is a person sitting, so that means there is nothing on the background. But since AI is powerful, it actually figured out what to create to match the background. Wow, that's crazy. So this, I can say again, a big thing which generally we do on the Photoshop, removing some person. So removing the person is okay with the Photoshop, but what if we want to have the consistency of the background and the scene when we remove the person? This is happening with the help of AI. So again, this is crazy, totally crazy that how powerful the image generation Nano Banana is. Now let's take this image of Sam Altman only and ask AI to add me to the image. and sitting on the sofa. And when I ask by giving this image of myself, see what happened. It actually created and have me sitting on the sofa. Although I look a little fat, which I'm not, but you can see the consistency. It is really looking, I'm actually there, but yeah, that's so powerful. Now let's take this to the next level by having too many things happening on me. So here again, there is an image of myself. Then I asked to remove the background. Background is removed, and you can see that even with the hairs, you can see the background is removed and we have the white consistency. Every detail is intact, everything. This little flip from the jacket is also there, so we can see there is a flip on the jacket which is actually intacted. Wow, so crazy, so crazy. Then I asked to remove the glasses and it actually removed the glasses, and here is how I look without the glasses. Now I asked to do something crazy. I asked to add more hair and beard. I wish I had this heavy hairs, but not. Although the beard is, I'm looking totally different. This is not me, but this is me. What I can say. Now, the good part is you can see the face is totally intact. I have this cut mark on my forehead, which you can actually see from the original image. This cut mark is actually precisely there, and the angle of the cut and everything is actually to the mark. Now then I asked to have a something different hairstyle, so this is a different hairstyle and the less beard. Wow. Then I asked to add me a cap, a Nike cap, and here we are. We can see the cap and the shadow of this cap is here, and everything is again intacted. And this is how the powerful the Nano Banana is, with the character consistency, and each and every minute details are inside the generated image. Enough playing with the image we provide. What if we ask it to generate the image? And here I asked to generate a fake perfume bottle, ultra realistic, beautiful. And here we are. You can see this looks so luxurious. This is the perfume bottle. So crazy. Now, what if we want to use this perfume bottle to have a advertisement for the shoot? Now see, here is the person shirtless with the jeans holding that perfume bottle in the hand. This is the prompt I had given. With this, imagination is only the limit for the creativity you can do. It's so crazy that you can create any kind of image, edit it on your own, and do some realistic thing on the image. Next, I've given my image and ask AI to generate the thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail with the glowing Nano Banana, and you can see Nano Banana is written there and the glowing part is there. Now since it is glowing, it actually created the night scene and the glow is on my face, and see the glow is so precisely gradiating from the bottom to the upside of the face, and it is really looking crazy. And the holding of the banana is absolutely perfect when we are having one in the camera and second is holding the banana. Looks so precise. Next is some basic checks for creating the image. When we asked to create two hands interlocking each other, Handshake ultra high definition, you can see ultra high definition, and see the fingers are really perfect. The space between two fingers and all the detail, the thumb, the thumbnails, and each and every detail is so precise that nobody can say that this is a generated image. After that, I tried the famous image generation prompt, which is a person sitting on a desk writing with his left hand, but on that it failed. And although how powerful the model is always to work on the trained image, and most of the image trained on the any image generation model is person writing with the right hand, not with the left hand. and that's why it will never ever able to create the image of person writing with the left hand. So this is the limitation. But this Nano Banana Gemini image 2.5 flash preview is so powerful that nobody say that this cannot be overcome. Hopefully in the future it can be possible. But you can see the leaderboard. So LM Arena leaderboard text to image is on the top. We have the Nano Banana. It's so powerful that it is at the top, with all other models are behind the Google's model. So with this, now we are going to finish this video, but make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because here the new AI model, AI learning is always continue. If you want, you can follow me on any platform with Sarthak Savvy username, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friend who don't know about the Nano Banana, how powerful it is. And let me know in the comment section what you have created with the Nano Banana and what crazy thing you have done with the Nano Banana. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.